Yep.
Okay, so this is going to be a no bullshit video. I won't lie. I have zero consistency when it comes to LeetCode.
There is no passion, there is no vision, there is no aggression, there is no fucking mindset.
I'm not gonna lie. When I sit down with some motivation to, finally fucking study, my brain goes, what? Then I try to pick up a problem, try to solve it. Dude, I literally solved this yesterday. What the fuck, man? How did I forget about it? What the fuck? So now I understand that I have two problems. First is I have zero consistency, and the second problem is I don't revise at all. Okay, so let's start with fixing no consistency. What I've thought of is I need to upload one LeetCode problem solution every day, or at least every weekday. And if I fail, this channel goes bye-bye. Basically, I'll be deleting this channel if I don't upload at least one solution every weekday. To fix no revision, basically, for now I'm thinking of adding one video every weekend where I recap all the problems I have solved on that week. And maybe in the future, I'll see if I can stream, all that recap session basically, which will be like a real-time revision with all of you folks if you want to join. Okay then, so how will the videos flow now? So we have this roadmap on LeetCode.io, which I'll follow closely. This roadmap is identical to what we have on Cracking the Coding interview and Daily Coding Problem as well. But yeah, I will be skipping the first 4 videos here because I have already uploaded them. But I'll upload one revision video with these 4 just to start off this challenge. So in the end, there will always be one video on LeetCode, and if I find any additional questions about a data structure which are not on LeetCode 150 problems, I will cover that on a weekend. Don't worry, I'll create proper playlists for anyone who is new to the channel so that they don't have to scroll through hundreds of videos from my, playback video list. So yeah, that's it. That's a quick update that I wanted to give everyone. The challenge starts for every weekday on this starting date, and I'll see you then.